Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find the top 10 customer sales, top 10 product sales. So we are going to see. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in Power BI and DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So customer, dim geography, dim product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. So just click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that for example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on the date as well as order date key, I have enabled the relationship between the dim date and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction. It means that a filter propagation flowing from the dim date to internet sales. Even we can enable the cross filter direction as a both, but it's up to the requirement for in my report. So one single direction is enough to design this report and all. So likewise, I have enabled the relationship between dimension fact like as follows. Okay, now we'll go to the report. So here we can see that these are the two visuals, and this is the one card visual, and this is the slicer. So basically what I'm doing here, so it is displaying the top 10 product sales. Okay, it is displaying the top 10 product sales in this time date range. So what are the date range we have? Based on that, it is displaying the top 10 product sales, but here it is displaying the top 10 customer sales. In this date range, it's displaying the top 10 customer sales. For example, so even though top 10, for each product I want to find the top 5 customer sales. So these are the top 10 products, so each product wise I want to see the top 10 customer sales. Okay, each product wise. So for that I have enabled the tooltip option. If I place the mouse over here, you can see that in this product these are the top 5 customer sales. So in this product, top 5 customers, in this product, top 5, in this product, top 5. Like that, each product wise we are displaying the top 5 customers. But here these are the top 10 customers. Each customer wise I want to see the top 10 product sales. See, so these are the top 5 products for this customer. These are the top 5 product sales for this customer. So each, likewise we can analyze whether you want to see the product wise top 5 customers or customer wise top 5 product sales. So likewise we can understand, we can study the data. Even you can change the dates range. So in this date range I want to see the, so top 10 products, top 10 customers, each product wise top 5 customers here, but each customer wise top 5 products. So what are the tooltip? It's a multi-card visual. So I have designed the tooltip by using multi-card visual only. Okay, so now I'll try it. So this is the top 5 customers, and this is the top 5 products. So likewise it is displaying the report. I'll try to show the measures what I've created to get this report and all. So total sales, just click on, try to zoom it so that you can see clearly. So total sales, so by using calculate sum, so I'm calculating the total sales, top 5 products. So by using the rank x function, so I'm just calculating the top 10 products. So already I have discussed around 12 13 videos regarding rank x and top and function. So please try to watch all videos so that you'll get familiar with rank x and top and functions. So these are the top 5 customers. These are the tool tips. Top 5 product sales. Okay, so date range already I have discussed many times. This date range, these are the customers, top 10 customers. So likewise, by using all these measures, I have designed the report. So I hope you like this report. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.